Okay, morning guys. It's the second day. Although I was supposed to give the tour of the Airbnb which I'm staying on the first day itself, but the first day was kind of hectic, so I decided that I will keep it pending for the next day. So let's get started with the tour now. This is the entrance of my Airbnb where I'm staying. Okay, there are some house rules, no partying and all that stuff. More about the rules later in the later part of the video. Okay, let's get started. So I'm in the hall, and this is the view, the arrangement of the hall. The kitchen is kind of like attached to it, but what I like about this place is just how big and spacious it is. Okay, let's check it out. And this TV, the painting, I really love this painting, and plants. You've got power switch, power outlets, and windows. That's the balcony over there. That's the entrance to the balcony. And I really love this chest which they have kept in the center. I hope there's no Davy Jones heart in here. Let's see. Just kidding. Okay, then this is like the tabletop which is there. Okay, kind of like big place for that. And here's the fridge which is there. Okay, so I bought some groceries for the birthday as well, celebrated it. And I got the water bottle from market which is near here. And then that's the pot for making tea, although I made it by buying some milk from the market and the tea and coffee powder. And the host also provides you with the tea and coffee bag, sorry, the tea and the sugar packets. That's from him, from the host. Okay, and there's hot plate. So I've been cooking the meals, me and my family. I've been cooking the meals for like 2 days now. Okay, that's the groceries. You've got microwave oven. You've got the chimney, although I don't know how to use it, so I haven't switched it on. And water purifier, kitchen, okay, sink works, okay. Then modular set. I haven't done anything to these because, well, they were just like these and they don't go inside anyway. Okay, so there's a big problem with the alignment. Okay, printer, I don't know why that is, but I guess, oh yeah, lots of cabinets. Okay, in here. Okay, and let's move on to the first bedroom. Now this is the second bedroom. Since we are just 4 guests, so they have kept it closed because we'll have access to only 2 bedrooms. And there are some nice decorative stuff that they have done. I'm sorry, like decorated walls so that it doesn't look too plain. Okay, then paintings. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. You have got a tabletop, that's my phone and everything. Chair, I really love the selection of the chairs that they have done. Life-sized, I don't know if this is life-sized, but a big mirror, another painting, and another balcony. Okay, again there are certain rules. That's the bed, big bed, and just love the pillows over here. Then you have got the desk. This cupboard is locked. That's the bathroom. Okay, and it kind of like works on sensors, so that's cool. Okay, so your ventilation fan and your light kind of like works on it. There's geyser, wash basin, toilet, the tap and the shower. Okay, and there's mirror. Then on to the next part of the video, sorry, on to the next part of the room. One thing that I do like about this Airbnb is the chairs. I mean, just look at these chairs. You can just sit in here comfortably and watch TV. Although there's no TV, you have internet. Wi-Fi is there, so you can just watch YouTube and stuff. But anyways, if you're staying in Jaipur, I don't think that you would need to watch TV. Other than that, it's all good. Okay, that's the second bedroom. Big bed. Okay, really love the pillows. And another mirror, power outlets. You got air conditioning. Sorry, I forgot to show the air conditioning in the second room. And here we have our own wardrobe and cupboard. We have got our stuff in there, and really love the work they have done for the ceiling. Let me just show you. This place kind of like lights up, and okay, so that's how it looks. And that's the view from the balcony. Image the view. Now, talking about the rules of this Airbnb, there are specific rules, not that you find difficult to follow, but then again, it's you have to take certain things according to your own taste. So the first being no noise or no disturbances. Next thing is that the balconies are there, but there's no view. Okay, there are just like rows and rows of houses which you'll see from this Airbnb. I don't think you need balcony in that particular case if there's just a house in front of you, and you cannot stay in the balcony after 8 p.m. or at night and talk over there. So that's another rule. No smoking, another rule. So either way, I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't mind. So the next thing is there are certain things like, for example, the washing machine or an equipment that could have helped in keeping up with the cleaning of clothes. But then again, if you're ready for it, then I guess you can wash the clothes with your own hand by buying the detergent powder. This bucket, you can just wash your clothes in the bucket and you're all good. The temperature in Jaipur is kind of like really hot, so the temperatures go high, and that's why you have the AC, okay, along with the fan, so that works well. So that is all about it. Just stay over here, enjoy the stay, and like I said, the rules so don't worry, just be smart about it and you will have a pleasant stay. So far I think this place is worth it for 1500. I don't remember the exact price I paid per night. I think 1500 to 2000 rupees, and so it's a good deal if you're staying for a couple of days. Although there are certain things that I would have liked, like for example, there was no toilet paper, and there are certain places which needs more cleaning. But overall, I guess this is really a good place to stay because of the fact that it's big and spacious, and you won't feel the need to do anything else if you're staying here for sightseeing and everything else. So I guess rest of the things don't matter, but overall this is a value for money place. And yeah, I just really loved it. I enjoyed staying over here. The beds are comfortable. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, I mean, just look at that, it's really comfortable, and the pillows are wow, I mean so overall the experience was really good over here. So value for money place. Definitely stay with your family. Okay, this is family place actually. And the host is really cool, so he allowed us to check in half an hour prior to our expected or the decided time, and they got us the room ready in time. Okay, and yeah, that was all about the Airbnb that I have been staying in for last 2 to 3 days.